The problem is that it's hard to see on the eye how the form gets compressed in perspective. And this is where our hands can help. We are not going to learn how to draw hands. We'll use them as a training tool for the brain. Yes, hands, because the palm is a simple, familiar form. Look, when the hands are facing you, you can see both palms and all fingers clearly. But when you turn your hands, one side moves farther away, the form becomes shorter, and the compression becomes obvious right away. The same thing happens to the eyes when the head turns. Today I will show you the first 3 steps at 3 different angles, so you can understand how the eye shape gets compressed before you even start drawing it. So perspective won't be just something from a textbook, it will literally be in your hands. As a guide, I made 2 construction lines, a horizontal axis and a vertical axis. Then I added the iris. Right now I am intentionally simplifying the eye into a symmetrical almond shape. Our goal right now is to understand the basic logic of the turn. So don't worry about beauty or realism yet. That will come in the next videos. Now, pay attention. At each angle we are watching 3 things: how the position of the eyes changes, how the eye opening gets compressed, and how the iris gets compressed. Step 1. Angle 1. 3/4 view. For this, we follow the key points. When their position changes, we can see how the whole form changes. I am making a quick sketch based on those same points in their current positions. If copying from a reference still feels difficult, watch my lesson Why the Second Eye Always Goes Wrong. There I explain in detail how to check proportions and transfer them into your drawing. I am checking my sketch and you can see that my horizontal axes are a little more rounded. That's completely fine. The goal here is not a perfect copy, but to understand the overall structure. I'll post the reference in the community tab so you can download it and practice. The next 2 angles are harder because the forms are more compressed and the diagonal guide is more tilted. If you don't get them right away, that's completely normal. You need to repeat these forms several times until you start feeling the compression. Step 2. Angle 2. 3/4 view from above. Again, we follow the same things: the position of the eyes, the shape of the eye opening, and the iris using the same points. They are our guides. Copy this angle into your sketchbook. Step 3. Angle 3. 3/4 view from below. Here, just like in all the previous steps, the most important thing is not to memorize the finished shape. The point is to rely on the same 3 things every time using our guide points. Repeat this exercise a few times until your eyes and your hand start to feel the form more confidently. These things don't come immediately, they come with practice. As I mentioned earlier, I will post the references and the assignment for this lesson in our drawing community. Let's do a small experiment. First, draw the eyes at these 3 angles using the photo references. Keep it schematic for now, no details, no realism yet. Then, draw the same sketches again, but this time use the 3D hand references with the blue guide points. Notice what feels easier, drawing from the photo references or drawing from the 3D hand references. If you'd like, post your sketches there. I'd be happy to see them. Today we work through a very difficult task. In 3 clear steps, we drew eyes at 3 changing angles. But this is only the first video. In the next lesson of this mini-series, we will continue drawing eyes at different angles and break down how to build more human-looking forms in these same 3 challenging views. See you there!